Now, some of the vagus work we'll be doing is going to involve eyes open rather than eyes closed. So we'll be doing some interesting things with our eyes. And probably the easiest way to practice this is on your back. Once you get the hang of this, you can do this multiple times a day, standing, sitting, or something like that. This is a little eye exercise for the vagus nerve. So find your way onto your backs, and if you need something under your head, make sure it's not too thick. You're going to weave the fingers of one hand together with the fingers of the other hand and place them under the neck if that works for you. If somehow with a shoulder issue or something like that, you can't do both, you could just have one hand behind your neck, okay? Have your head of the weight of your head resting comfortably. See if you can feel the bones of your fingers on the back of the head. Now, keeping your head in place with the eyes open, without moving the head, just look to the right. See if you can stay here, looking to the right for about 30 seconds to a minute. I'll let you know. If you have to release it sooner, you can. You'll know when you're done because you'll swallow, maybe, or sigh or yawn. Those are all signs of relaxation in your autonomic nervous system. So, if you can, keep looking to the right with your head in the middle until you sigh or yawn, an indication that your nervous system has shifted, your autonomic. And then you'll bring your eyes back to the center. Now, if you need to rest your eyes for a moment, go ahead and close them. If you can, leave your hands in place and keep your head still. You're going to do the same thing to the other side and try to stay there until you notice a sigh, a yawn, or a swallow. For me, I just had to swallow. So that was my first sign that my autonomic nervous system had shifted. Once again, in between, you could just close your eyes. Now gently make your way to seated, and we'll try to do the same thing seated. If you need to elevate your hips, go ahead and do that. Seems like nothing what we're doing, but we're actually, when you're working the vagus nerve, it's pretty subtle work, and it's not like more is better. It's maybe more frequent is better, but not more intense or more anything. So little and often is the approach. You could do this every time you went to the bathroom. It's nice to match a new habit with the habit you're already doing. So let's go ahead and try this again. This time sitting up. So again, we're trying to have our eyes look to one side, go back to the first side, the right, until you have the need to swallow, to yawn, to sigh. My need to swallow is happening pretty quickly. I hope that's a good sign that I'm shifting my nervous system pretty easily. Take a break in the middle, and then have the eyes without the head going to the other side. Looking to the other side, again, until you need to sigh, yawn, or swallow. Swallow, it seems to be my go-to. And then when you have done that, go ahead and release in any sort of way.